Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the following section on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now as you see, you are on the discover page, and you can go to the following next to the discover section. So as you see here, this is the following section. So you have to follow more people to find something here on this following section. So that's it. That's how to find the following section on Bluesky easy and quickly. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.